Hi, I'm Blair Gilbert here from MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores, here to show how easy it is to add a GFCI receptacle to the side of your shed that is over a sump pit. We're doing this, we have a GFCI receptacle controlling our sump pit. As opposed to running an extension cord out in the yard, we need to make this a little safer. Whenever I go to run electricity or anything through a wall, I like to know what I'm running into first. So I have a long, small drill bit, so if I make a mistake, I could simply plug the hole with a small screw or some caulk. So we know this is the location we'd like to be. So we're going to drill into the garage, and we'll go see where we came out. So here we are, here's where the drill bit came through the wall. We're going to drill through the studs over to a receptacle, and we're going to come around here and install the GFCI. A hole saw will quit drilling when a piece of plastic or metal or whatever gets in past the saw. So in this case, I have to stop at each layer as I go along. So I'm through the box, now I'm into the siding. Okay, now I'm into the wood underneath, but that piece of aluminum siding is in there. And if it gets driven in too deep, it'll be a big pain to get out. So I pull out my pieces when I go through multi-layers. There we are. We're into the garage, ready to pull wire. So when you pull wire into an electrical box, you need to have 6 inches of de-shielded wire in the box. So you have to take and cut 6 inches of shielding free without cutting into the wires underneath. That's a rule. 6 inches of de-shielded wire coming into a box. The black wire goes to the brass screw. B to B, black to brass. Goes in the hole, not around the screw head. When you tighten it, there's a clamp inside, and the clamp secures the wire. One great trick I learned was that copper is soft. You get to tighten these screws twice. So after I put these on, in 5 minutes I'll come back and I'll get a quarter turn more on each of these screws. Tight, tight, tight. That's what separates a real electrician from a homeowner. The homeowner snugs it, he's happy. The electrician puts them on tight. Same with the wire nut. Put it on tight, pull, make sure nothing can come loose. Homeowner will stop when he thinks it's okay. Electrician stops when he knows he cannot remove any wires. There's my second turn. So the ground wire does not provide the clamping trick. You have to put your own hook. So now the rule is, in an electrical box, there must be 6 inches of de-shielded wire in the box. It's a 4-inch box. It's 3 inches up and 3 inches down. So it fits in the box very easily. When we're going to plug something in outdoors permanently, we like to have what's called an in-use electrical box cover. These boxes come with the hinge that you can make either go up or sideways. So there we have it. Now we can plug our sump pump in out here. We'll be protected by the GFCI. Here's our sump pump cord. It's going to be plugged in all the time. We would like to have an in-use cover. So when we plug this device in and we close the door, rain and the elements are kept off our receptacle. This is the safe way to leave any of your outdoor fountains, pumps, and such plugged in safely. It's a quick lesson and tip from MrHardware.com.